Morning, guys. Morning. Happy Thursday. We have a little bounce here on the pre-market. Morning. So welcome to another day here on the stream. Let's see what the market is gonna give us today. We have a big red day yesterday. SPY 430, 429. It's a key level to watch. And the Q 364 is a level to watch. So let's see. My main watches today are Nvidia. Let me see. Let me look for it. Nvidia that. Okay. So Nvidia the 430 and the 420 levels. Morning. Welcome. So Nvidia 430 and the 420 levels right now is near the 430. So I want to see if Nvidia is going to use 430 as a rejection point, or if it's going to use it as support. It has a gap here to fill till 437, 434, around there. Microsoft 400 level. That's the level that I'm watching on I'm sorry, on Netflix. The thing is, like, Netflix at open, the IV is still gonna be high. Still gonna be high. I think TSM already had earnings, or earnings are after market. I don't know. Let me check TSM because I know it has earnings. It was pre-market or after? If it is pre, okay, I have a level here on already had. Okay, I have a level here on 93, which I see TSM add. So basically 93 would be the level that you want to see TSM holding. Yeah, 93, definitely. Look how 93 in the past was a rejection point. TSM is a good one if can hold 93. If rejects 93 and the market is bearish, you can play the rejection there. So I'm gonna watch here also. So I'm gonna watch here TSM. Um, I also have I'm also watching AMD and Amazon 128. Amazon 128. If it lose 128, it's bouncing to 130. I don't care if it's above 128, but if loses 128, which I have an alert here, I'm gonna be looking to play the downside. If it's above 128, I don't care what Amazon is gonna do today. But yeah, TSM, that 93 level is the level to watch. Let's see, what's the other one? The other one that I'm watching is AMD 105 or 102. So either 105 is gonna react as resistance, so we play the rejection, or if act as support, you play the upside. 102, you wanna see it holding for a bounce or under. Um, it's very bearish. So basically 105 and 102 are the two levels to watch on AMD. In the middle, I honestly don't care what it's gonna do in the middle. So yeah, Nvidia and Netflix are my main watches, and I like this rejection here so far on TSM if the market is weak. If the market is strong, I would like to see TSM holding 93. So basically we have 400 on Netflix, 93 on TSM, Nvidia 430 and 420, AMD 105 and 102. And you have my levels also on SPY in the queue from my Discord pre-market plan. Morning, Sam. Let's see. I want to wait a little and see what the market is really gonna do. Also, I want to wait a little bit for premiums to get like better. Like I want Ivy to go down on Netflix, TSM, all those um earnings plays. Tesla, I'm not really looking to play Tesla today, maybe next week, but not today. Let's see, SPY, if it's gonna break pre-market high. Nvidia moved like too fast here. Damn, TSM. So for TSM, we needed some consolidation, some pullback, something. We cannot enter anything here, at least not Nvidia or TSM. Mm, well, you cannot play TSM here. You want to see you want to wait for some consolidation, something. If you're feeling risky, you can play it here. But I want to see some like a few 5-minute candles consolidation around here. I don't want to play. I don't want to. You're literally, if you're playing this candle here on TSM, you're literally playing double premium because it's gonna the premium is gonna be high because of earnings. Also, the premium is gonna be even more high because of this aggressive move. So we gotta be patient here. And same, I'm watching Netflix that break under 400, but I want to see kind of like a retest or some consolidation under 400 so I can get um some puts there. Also, okay, 364 here. Nvidia is very, very weak. Morning, morning. Anybody got here on TSM on that pullback? Okay, I like AMD, that rejection there. I'm gonna look for AMD puts. Let me check. 103 puts weekly. Yeah. Okay, SPY is approaching my 430 level, and the Q, it's right, it needs to hold here. Let's see if it's gonna hold here, this gap fill, or if it's gonna lose this support. I'm gonna put AMD here because Nvidia just moved too fast and I couldn't get it, but I like this AMD here rejection of pre-market high, and also it has a gap to fill here, so my PT is around 102. I also like Netflix under 400. I think that can be a good one, but maybe it's gonna be an expensive one. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. I kind of want to SPY to go to 430 for me to enter and play the upside. Play just a bounce here. But the Q is looking weaker. Apple is looking very weak and rejected 176 level, 176.50. I'm being patient here. I want to see some consolidation, some at least one red candle on the 5 minute chart for me to enter TSM. And I want to see how the Q is gonna react here with this um gap fill. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh, so TSM is giving me the pullback, but I don't know if I want to play the upside here because the market is looking very, very weak. Nice, nice. I want to see some continuation here on AMD. Then the Q is very, very weak. I'm looking to enter TSM only if I see the Q holding. Because if the Q doesn't hold here, 363, 364, I'm not looking to play the upside. I kind of want to see the Q holding 364 and give me some consolidation there. Yeah, I know. Powell, thank you, Donnie. Powell speaks at 12, so I'm planning on trading in the morning and get out of here. Pretty much like always, but even more with Powell speaking later. Mm, 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 mm. A 10. Thank you. Mm, mm, mm. So that's gonna move HD. Okay, TSM is trying to hold 93. I like that reaction on TSM. You know what? I'm gonna take a small position on TSM calls. Let me see which one. Weekly. It's gonna be a high risk because the market is looking very weak. Um, Let me see. Maybe 90, the 93. I haven't gotten yet. I wanna see like the market. Okay, 93 calls weekly. I got then at 149. My stop loss is gonna be morning low. Again, it's a high risk play because the market is looking very weak. Let me see, my stop loss. It's gonna be this week here. 92.65. I think the SM is gonna stop me out any minute, but we'll see. Yeah, TSM is looking very weak, but we'll see. We'll see. Looking very weak right now. That's an ugly 30-minute candle so far. Okay, I'm getting out of TSM. I don't like how weak it is. And if TSM loses, like, use 93 as resistance, watch for this huge gap fill here. Ooh, I like that rejection on Netflix 400. Let me see how are the spreads and how is the premium on Netflix. Premium 72%, 70, almost 74% up, 75 now. Hmm. I like Netflix here under 400. The thing is, like, I can see maybe the Q and SPY holding here, honestly. In fact, well, I'm gonna look to play the upside here if the Q can go to 364 and use it as support. So far it's looking very weak. But Apple is holding. And AMD looks like it doesn't want it to go lower. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with the Q upside here. Let's see. Yeah, Apple is kind of strong, but also rejected in the morning that 176 level that I have. So I can see a bunch of put plays because a lot of things are under very important levels, but also it's a little bit difficult for me to get input here with the Q and SPY at at important levels of support. We'll see. It's a little bit risky here what I'm playing with futures because I know it can easily be just a break and retest or a rejection of the VWAP or a bear flag. I just looking at the 30-minute how it closes yesterday, for me this is a strong level of support. Lulu. Ooh, um, Lulu, I had that alert because Lulu has a huge gap um lower here. So watch Lulu if uses 402 as resistance. This could be a very, very juicy play. I'm getting out on AMD. Yeah, so watch this huge gap on Lulu. Anybody playing the Q with me here or Spy? Let's see if it's if it's gonna break the VWAP and use it as support. Nice. Apple crazy strong. Mhm. If you are in profits on the Q, take some because um it could reject here easily. Same with Spy. Okay, I think I'm gonna give it another try to TSM and use morning. Yeah, I'm gonna give it another try to TSM, same contract. Um, Netflix is just holding 400, which it's kind of bullish, but I don't know. I kind of want to see. I guess TSM is gonna stop me out again. In fact, I'm tempted to take calls on Netflix. Let's see. For next week. Yeah, I'm getting Netflix for next week for 10 calls. Yeah. So TSM, I think it's gonna stop me out again. Mm. I like how the Q is holding here, mm. So far the market is looking like it doesn't want to go lower. I don't know. It- but like I said, it could easily be a reject here, bear flag, a rejection of the VWAP and INMA. I think I entered a little bit earlier. I should have waited for the 364 hold here, but it looks like it doesn't want to go lower. I don't know. I like Netflix so far. It's looking good. Mm. Okay, I like that move. I entered here the queue because I've noticed the past few days, I don't know, maybe changed today, I don't know. But I've noticed the past few days that the market's been going like down, and then when it started like not wanting to go lower, it changed direction. But obviously I can be wrong here because I entered earlier because I should have waited for the SPY or the Q to hold VWAP as support, not like as a rejection point here. But we'll see. So far, right now it's looking weak. It's looking bearish. Mm-mm-mm. And we bounce again, and we reject, and then we bounce again, and then we reject. Ooh, that's an ugly reaction there. Mm. I'm gonna see if the Q is gonna hold here and SPY is gonna hold for 30. I think Netflix is gonna top me out. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I like that TSM move. Yeah, if rates are going higher, the market should go lower. Nice. That's very good. Congrats. Congrats. The 30-minute candle is looking right now is looking bearish. The 15 in it could hold here 363.50. I don't know. I want to see it how it's gonna close, but it's clearly looking like a bear flag. But I don't know. You played Lulu? Nice. Oh yeah, Lulu is right on that gap. Any bounce to the VWAP here to 402, 401.80 could be a good entry for Lulu puts. So I entered here the queue because first of all, obviously it's my level. That's what I had on my watch list, at level 364 mainly. Also because I've noticed how the market's been acting in the past, like the past few days, it's been going down and then doesn't want to go lower and then immediately like change direction there. So that's why I entered a little bit early and I didn't wait for any confirmation that this level was gonna hold. So it's a little bit risky, but the risk to reward was too good here because my entry was very close to my stop loss. But but I had a good entry, but it's still looking bearish. It keeps rejecting here. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold here for 30. 430, 429. Mm. You're short Netflix? Yeah, I think Netflix could go either way. I'm more inclined into the upside because it had a very good earnings, but yeah, it can go either way. If you enter the queue with me, I hope you took some profit because it's a very good entry, but yeah, the market is looking weak. SPY is very weak. The queue is looking like it's making a bear flag on the 5 minute chart. On the 50 minute chart, it's holding, it's making higher lows. So I don't know where we're going. So it could easily melt here. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Mm, the Q needs to break 364 4.50 because it keeps rejecting there. Okay, I like that. Mm-hmm. Okay, that's very bullish. I'm gonna start taking some profits here. One, two. Okay, you just have two left. Really, really good there with the Q. Who made money there with the Q play? A little bit risky, but I just had to take it with, it was right at my level. The risk to reward there, it was too good to not take that trade. What's AMD doing? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a big move. So I guess with TSM earnings, that semis are very strong. Let me see what Nvidia is doing. Ooh, Nvidia is above 430. So guys, Nvidia has a gap. Well, I think it moved too fast here, but it has a gap here. The 430 level that I talk pre-market, and then it has a gap here. So you can easily play till 436, 438. TSM is looking beautiful. Netflix is looking beautiful. The Q is looking beautiful. If a spy bounce here hard, the Q is gonna like fly. Let's see if the Q can break pre-market high. If breaks pre-market high and use it as support, I may add more here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spa is looking beautiful. This bounce out of 430 was perfect. Now, I need Netflix to move. I don't know why Netflix is not doing anything. But Apple is at 177, which is a strong 177 and 177.50. It's been acting as a strong resistance on Apple the past few days. So that could, because I think the market moved that way because Apple went up a lot. Let's see. I really, really like this bounce here on SPY. I can see it going to 432.50. If Meta didn't break high of the day, don't trade Meta because only if the market rejects. Because you wanna, if on an upside day, you wanna trade the one that is the strongest. Like, well, damn. So I like, yeah, just like yesterday when we started seeing this crazy move like that, like out of nowhere, like move like so fast, we know we're gonna have a choppy day. So if you made money, just log your, or you're on a green trade, just log as much profit as you can, and then just get out. Okay, I want to see Netflix breaking this week here. Yeah, lately the morning's been extremely choppy. That's an ugly rejection there on a SPY. Let's see if it's gonna lose 430. Okay. If the Q goes under 364, I'm gonna close my two runners. It's holding there, kind of, not really. Let's see, let's see. Okay, I like that move there. I think as long as the Q is holding 364 as support is bullish and 430 for SPY. Yeah, I like that move. I kind of feel like adding a little bit, but at the same time, I don't want to put more money on this market here. Like I don't want to risk more, even though I really, really, really like SPY 430 hold. Even 429, even if you go to 429 and give me like a 30-minute strong candle up, that's pretty bullish. Mm. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. 364 on the Q, 430 on SPY. So far, SPY is looking weak. Keeps rejecting VWAP. It's making lower highs. Yeah. Mm, getting out. I'm taking profits, the little profit that I have on TSM and Netflix. I don't like this market. I don't care. Maybe Netflix gonna hold 400 and keeps going higher. I just don't wanna play this choppiness. Mm, mm, mm. I'm not gonna keep watching TSM because I played it twice and that's it. Mm, I really like this Netflix chart. It for me it's looking bullish, but I just don't like how the market's playing out. So I only made like $400 on futures, but green is green. I've been playing very small this past 2 weeks because the market's too choppy. And I think it's very important to know when to not trade and when to like trade with a smaller size. I'm gonna try the Q. Oh, let's see. Um, no, I don't want to trade anything else. I'm not gonna trade anything else. Mm, mm, mm. The only thing that I'm looking to trade maybe is if SPY breaks under 429. Because from 430 till 429, that's kind of a level of support on SPY. So I kind of feel risky to play the downside here. Even though, like, if we really see this 5 minute chart, it's definitely bearish, downtrend, rejection of pre-market high, try to go higher, got rejected hard. So SPY is definitely very weak. It could easily like go to 429. but I like more to wait and see if it's gonna lose 429. Uh, yeah, because 429, around 429 was yesterday's low. Yeah, under 429, it can really melt till 427.50, but it has like look for 430. It's been a strong support. 430 and 429. It's been important level the past like few weeks. It was support yesterday. It was support here. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Support, support. So 429, 430 are important. Like it's an important level that we want to see how SPY pretty much gonna react there. So far, it's looking weak, but I will not play puts here, even though it looks like very good for puts, because if you enter here, you can use VWAP as your stop loss. But I'm not. Yeah, I don't feel like playing that. Mm. The AMD 105 was a good reaction play there. Damn. Okay, it's under 429. Let's see what's gonna do. Okay. Um, let's see if we're gonna. Okay, I'm gonna start adding here only three because I know it could easily bounce here. Okay, I like that move. Hmm. It's a very small play, like I said. I've not been playing like I've been playing very safe lately. I just don't like how the market is moving. So if I made $100 every day, I'm fine. On this market, more than fine. On a regular market with a good trend, I'll be feeling like I'm not making any money, but on this market, yeah. Oh, we're under yesterday's low, which is very bearish. But on this choppy market, anything can happen here. I can see some support here. Has a support around 428.80. Hmm. The Q is bouncing here. I kind of want to re-enter Netflix calls. I like how the 30-minute candles are looking. But I'm not going to take anything else. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Look at that. A retest of 430 could be a good play, a rejection play, but I'm not going to play anything else. No, it's not over. I'm just like looking around and see. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep playing anything here. I had like small, let's see. I made $334 on futures. I made like 1500 on TSM and Netflix. Mm, I'm not playing Tesla. I think it's better to just wait for next week to play Tesla, honestly. Okay, I got into that rejection there. That's the last trade that I'm gonna do here. Mm, Netflix tempting me to go get in again in calls. It's looking bullish. Hmm. Okay, I want to see that rejection there. Okay, good. I gone in here because I like this rejection here. That was an ugly rejection there. But who knows? I also like this rejection here on the Q, but SPY is just above VWAP, is using VWAP as support, so I don't know. Okay, I'm definitely getting out here. So the market doesn't want to go lower there. Yeah, Netflix is looking very good for upside. Let's see what's gonna do at around 4:30. Let's see also if the Q can hold 364, that support. Honestly, if I were you, I wouldn't trade anything. That was a beautiful 364 rejection here on the Q. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, okay, guys, I'm done for the day. I don't want to keep like trading this choppy market. And I know if I keep like being on my computer, I'll be looking to play something else. And we got a good trade early in the morning, and that's it. More than enough. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Bye.